Where are you, Axel?
Ano? Oy! Oy!
Ay, don't say hoy. Bad yun. Open the door. Open the door. Open ko na yung door.
Ay! No! No!
Open the door.
Those door! Those door!
Close mo na. What? May door pa.
Ay! Open! Yeah! Ay!
Nasira na yung door mo. Pabili po ice cream. Ay, huwag ka malikot, sir. Baka masira po yung house mo. Pabili po ice cream.
Okay.
Thank you po. Bayad ko po. Bayad po. May chicken po kayo dyan, sir.
Yes.
Pabili po chicken. Bayad ko po.
The fish.
Fish chicken po yung order ko, sir. Chicken. Hindi po, chicken lang, sir.
Chip.
Chicken lang po, wala pong kanin tsaka fish. Chicken lang, sir, pabili.
Uto, uto, adin. Uto.
Opo.
Guys! Guys!
Surprise? You have surprise for me?
Yes.
What did you do?
The uto.
Axel, where are you? Axel, where are you? Are you here?
Yes.
Why are you hiding there? Why are you hiding there?
The bang bang.
Ouch! Sino gumawa ng house mo?
No! Ame! Ame, those door! Those door! Those door!
Sino gumawa ng house mo, nak?
Mommy.
Wow, what will you say to mommy? Wow, ang ganda ng house mo, ah. Yan nga yung loob.
Diabas. Diabas.
Hindi ka lalabas?
Hindi.
Stay there. Stay there, okay?
Okay.
Oh, don't broke. Don't broke your house, ah.
Ayaw.
Are you happy there?
Yes.
Are you happy to your new house?
Yes.
Wow. What will you say to daddy?
Ito.
What will you say? Yan na ang pamana namin sa inyo, ah.
Ito.
Pamana ko sa iyo yan, ah.
Those door.
Pamana namin sa iyo ni daddy.
Those
Ha? Pamana namin sa iyo ni daddy. Oh, sige,
Door.
close na natin.
Yak. Yak.
Lock pa gusto. Oh, wait lang. Hawak ko yung phone ko, eh. Okay na yan.
Yak.
Sira daw kunwari. Sira nga, eh.
Yak.
Sira nga.
Yak.